Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Tuesday, January 12th, 2010. This morning I'd like to go through some syntax for creating literal arrays that works in Squeak and Pharo, doesn't work in VisualWorks and Object Studio out of the box, but you can get it to work. So if you're coming over from one of the open source Smalltalks and you wanted to create a literal array using this curly brace notation, I've got curly brace, expression, notice the period in between, and then following with a closed curly brace. Here in VisualWorks, this doesn't do anything. It tells me, well, I don't know what to do with that. And you get the same behavior in Object Studio. Typically, you would create it with the with message, or you do array new colon and then keep adding with @put. So this is how you normally do it. But let's say you want this to work, because again, maybe you're migrating code over from Squeak and you just like to not have to refactor everything out. Well, you can get that to happen. What you do is open the Parcel Manager. And what you do is go over here to the Directories view, because we need to go over to Contributed, so we're going to scroll down a bit. And select Contributed, go to Brace Constructor, and just load that in. Doesn't come very hard, so you get that in. Now let's try this. We'll do array2 gets that expression. We'll inspect it, and there we have our array. So now it works fine. So if you're trying to migrate code from Squeak or Pharo over to VisualWorks that you've been working with, and you want to just use this syntax, here's one thing you could do to get that to happen. Now, I've been told that there may be some refactoring problems once you bring this in, so you want to keep aware of that. This may be something that you do as a short-term hurdle to bring code in and then try to get rid of it. But in any case, it's something you can do to make a little more compatibility between VisualWorks or Object Studio and some of the other open source Smalltalks. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.